this by the first. That is our step 1. Now x raised to power 3 divided by x. We're going to have x squared. So use this and multiply this. That is x minus 2. X squared into the bracket of x minus 2 equals to x raised to power 3 minus 2x. Now in the first step, we're going to minus this from this entire one, and so we're going to write minus x raised to power 3 plus 2x raised to power 2 minus 5x minus 6, or minus x raised to power 3 minus 2x squared. So at this point, x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 3 is 0. Okay, then we have plus 2x squared minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus, so it's plus. That means 2x squared plus 2x squared. We're going to have plus 4x squared minus 5x minus 6. So at this point, I'm going to enter step 2. So step 2. In step 2 now, we're going to divide this. We're going to divide this by x minus 2. So let's come up to this side so that we can see properly. 4x squared minus 5x minus 6. Okay. So now we said 4x squared divided by x. We're going to have 4x. So multiply 4x by this, which is 4x times x minus 2. Close the bracket, equals to 4x times x is 4x squared. 4x times minus 2, you have minus 8x. So at this point, you subtract from this, which is what? 4x squared minus 5x minus 6 minus 4x squared minus 8x. At the end, when you minus this, you have 0 minus 5x minus 8x. Remember, there's plus there. So at the end, we are going to have minus 5x plus 8x. And we're going to have plus 3x. Alright? Then you bring this one down. Minus 6. That is step 2. That is what we have in step 2. Now we are still going to divide 3x divided by x. That is step 3. Step 3. Step 3. So at the end, you are going to have 3. Then 3 times x minus 2. You have 3x minus 6. At the end, you minus this from this, which is what? 3x minus 6. Then 3x minus 6. When you minus them together, you're going to have 0. The remainder is going to be 0. Our quotient Q is equals to, in our first division, we have x squared. X squared. In the second division, we have 4x. plus 4x. And in the last division, what we have is 3 plus 3. So our quotient is equals to x raised to power 2 plus 4x plus 3. That is our quotient. Why our remainder is equals to 0. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. I want you to subscribe to my channel so that when I post similar video, you'll be able to have it. Thank you very much.